stop being a human child, why would I...
Shit. God damn it. There was a whole second verse about inviting you to the zoo with the family.
I've seen that robot's arm. The zoo sounds nice. You could have been part of it, Mom. Oh.
You did. You died everywhere. Forever. You're the only thing I can't replace.
Okay, Mr. Weepy. I'm not even real. Remember? Nothing's real. That's your jam, right?
Diane?
Rick? What's happening?
Because he's dying. Fuck. I gotta get him out of here. But if I do, I might have to go with him. I don't want to. I don't want to, Diane. I think my greatest fear is letting you go.
That's a good fear, Rick. Keep that fear. If you don't, you'll kill me. Again.